Instagram has made an unfortunate change that notifies your friends when you screenshot things they send you. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how this screenshot notification feature works. Now let's get started. If you use Instagram's direct messaging system frequently, you might want to keep this in mind. Now, when your friends send you pictures in DMs, we'd recommend steering clear of taking any screenshots. Instagram will now send a screenshot notification to the friend who sent the picture to you, so they'll know right away if you screenshot the pictures they sent. A notification that says screenshot will appear in their messaging window, and this small icon will stay in your conversation next to the photo message placeholder. Maybe your friends won't mind, but now you know they'll know. We hope this helps save our viewers from awkward screenshot notification situations. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.